Hey guys, it's Linda from Linda Has a Travel Bug, and I am in Singapore today. And I am on this really awesome stretch of road. It's called Keong Saik Road. And formerly it was a red light district, and now it's more of like arts and cultural type stuff. But anyway, I just want to show you guys. I think it's so awesome, and I think you guys are going to love it. So come on, check it out with me. Might have to go in here. Wow. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Oh my God, this is so cool. Okay, well this has turned into a coach video. I've never seen anything like this, so.
She's in the Chanel era.
Wow, it's Coach vintage. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry I veered off on this, but I've never seen anything like this. And I think there's another level. How many levels are there? It's impressive. Oh my goodness. And it goes on and on. And I'm not sure if I can go up here, but I'm going to try. Yeah, I don't think this is for me. Wow. Okay. That got kind of crazy, didn't it? All right, I promise you guys I'm gonna do what I said I was gonna do. I'll just show you guys Oh, excuse me.
Yeah.
Incredible. I've never seen anything like this. This is the craziest coach store I've ever been in. Okay. There are many levels. Okay. Back to what I was supposed to do. I apologize for that. I kind of got a little carried away. I am a female after all. But yeah, so here we go. Let's try it again. A lot of bars, and there's even a temple that's coming up. It smells so good. It's got incense burning and just incredible. So vibrant down here. This is the temple, but I can't go in because of course I'm not dressed correctly. But just look at the tile. I mean, it's so beautiful. I mean, look at these designs. So much to look at. I just don't even know where to point this camera. I'd walk in the street, but I'd probably get ran over. Look at this. I mean, and everything's written pretty much in English. It's kind of crazy, like the bars and the clothing shops and all the businesses. The only thing that really isn't written in English is like the streets. It's like a nice clothing shop in there. We actually came down here originally just to find a secondhand shop so we could find wow, that looks swanky, to find a coat because we're headed to Japan and it's very cold right now, so. Look at these saloon doors. Technology is crazy, isn't it? Let's see if I can get out here. Look, there's a 7-Eleven. They're everywhere. But you see, it just kind of goes on and on, those buildings. Those shutters and everything's just so vibrant and pretty. So much detail everywhere. Hello. An Italian restaurant. $28. Didn't say that Singapore was cheap, that's for sure. Oh, wow. Interesting. I'm gonna have to go in there. That's genius.
He took a video. He said no break.
I mean, they've got like a door within a door. I mean, this is great. The window, I mean, everything is just so beautiful. Okay. Num num. Uh-oh, might be stopping here for lunch. Smells delicious. Oh my gosh. Look how vibrant that is. Everything. Oh wow. Excuse me. Happy hour. Yay. Uh-oh, I'm messing this camera up. Okay, here we go. I mean, just street after street after street of intensity. I mean, they even have like fans. I bet this place at night is really, really beautiful. I mean, look at that chair. When are you going to see a chair like that? Wow. Ah, this is a Michelin place. What's it called? Olivia. Okay. I bet that's expensive. Yeah, we're here pretty early. It's about 1, and I'm guessing this place doesn't actually get going until 5 or 6. Whoa, what's that? Ah, the temple. Check this out. Wait. Whoa. Look at those dudes. That is so pretty. Must be where they do the offerings. You put your shoes in these little cubby holes when you go in. If you were to do that in America, you would lose your shoes. They would be gone. Somebody would pick them up and either throw them away or sell on eBay, depending on the worth of them. It's just a different world. It's almost like utopia here, where you can just trust people, you know? They're not gonna do anything nasty. You can walk alone as a female at night, and you don't have to worry. might have got a little turned around. I'm still looking for that secondhand store. Ah, I think we found it. Yay! No? Oh, close. All right, well, I think I'm going to go ahead and stop this because that's the end of the road for that. Hopefully you got something out of this. Please like and follow, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Linda has a travel